Andy from Howard's Peugeot and Western Supermare, and I'm going to show around this 3008 SUV in the active specification. So this vehicle has 18-inch alloy wheels, rear parking sensors. Inside the car, the touchscreen has DAB digital radio, Apple CarPlay, Android Auto and Bluetooth connectivity. You also get dual zone air conditioning, automatic headlights and wipers, and the car has cruise control with a speed limiter. So let's have a look around. We are happy to tailor your experience to suit your current requirements, whether that's making an appointment to view a vehicle, using our click and collect service, or taking advantage of Howard's home delivery service. We hope to hear from you soon. Thank you.